Hello and welcome to WeWork, one of the coolest co-working spaces in Southeast Asia. We even have free lunches every week. And if you want coffee, tea or some breakfast, we've got an amazingly well-stocked pantry and lockers for you to keep your stuff. So depending on you, there are many different ways that you can work at WeWork. You can do it in a fixed desk space. If you're like me, I prefer the co-working space model where it's a bit more free. Or if you're like some other people and you prefer to use something different like the standing desk, you can also do that. So we at e27, we're a tech and media company that's focused on building the Southeast Asia tech ecosystem. We do this in two ways. One is on our online platform e27, where we profile the most interesting and up-and-coming tech startups from around Southeast Asia, investments and trends, and our Echelon conference, one of our largest conferences in Southeast Asia. Check out some of my teammates. So we've put together an organization that's perfect for building the Southeast Asia tech startup ecosystem. Now, if you want to know what it feels like to work in a startup, or if you want to join us in building together the startup ecosystem, join this program and join us at e27.